Our humble obeisance to the one we revere, our deep obeisance to the one we revere. We watch the divine procession through our eyelids. Common perception, Samanya Darshan, is our real experience through the medium of our yoga. Awareness or samaj is not something that can be taught. Samaj emerges during common perception. The beginning level of awareness is called Abodh Samaj. It is the level that we normally find in children. The next level of awareness or samaj is called Ajnan. This video introduces some of the characteristics of Ajnan. When the quality of humility emerges in an Abodh child who is nurtured with caring love, then the level of awareness of the Abodh child grows into Ajnan level. Ajnan level of awareness is indicative of adulthood. Ajnan does not mean total lack of jnana, that is knowledge. Ajnan means vidya, that is the know-how that is essential to run day-to-day life. Ajnan is dominated by activity. An individual with Ajnan level of awareness or samaj is capable of shouldering responsibilities related to living. They nurture the younger ones with caring love and support the elderly with humility. Whatever can be taught, be it at home or in school or college or a gurukul, it is Ajnan. In this manner, while watching events in nature, conceiving patterns, meaning forming abhigam, and taking planned actions, meaning adhigam, combined with learning and studies, one acquires the know-how of solving life-related problems. This know-how is Ajnan level of awareness. In the Abodh level, we are nurtured with caring love at home, that is Gharkul. In the Ajnan level, we learn from our teachers, Kulguru, many of the 64 arts for women and 72 arts for men to conduct our day-to-day living. All these arts are Ajnan. One must appreciate the necessity on one hand as well as the importance on the other hand of Ajnan. Ajnan is necessary for living. Life cannot run without Ajnan. At the same time, it is also critical to keep in mind its limitations. Ajnan cannot solve problems related to Jiv. Ajnan is limited to Jivan or Vyavhar, that is problems concerned with living. In Abodh state, there was awareness but no awareness of the awareness. Therefore, after sensing a problem, its solution was not known. In Ajnan state, there is awareness of awareness. Therefore, as a life-related problem is sensed, there is either knowledge of its solution or a search for a solution. In Abodh state, one is nurtured as a ward or palya. In Ajnan state, one cares for the whole family as a guardian or palak by nurturing the younger ones with caring love and supporting the elderly with humility. In Abodh state, the attitude was that of wanting to grab everything. In Ajnan state, the attitude is that of sharing. In Ajnan state, the underlying perspectives are those of Sah-Astitva, meaning coexistence, and Samaprabhuta, meaning equality of respect for all, and Parasparopagraho Jivanam, meaning mutual interdependence among all. Ajnan is a stepping stone in the direction of Jnan level of awareness. Ajnan is the threshold between Abodh and Jnan. One cannot reach Jnan level of awareness without passing through the Ajnan level. Without Vinay or humility, Vivek or wisdom cannot emerge. Progression into the Jnan stage of awareness is possible only after one attains fulfillment in the day-to-day living in the Ajnan stage of awareness. It is our general experience that we are still largely involved with resolving life-related problems. It seems to us that all arrangements to sustain our expected lifestyle are not yet in place. Therefore, before introducing the Jnana level of Samajh, in the next few videos we will consider Ajnan from some more perspectives. With humble submission to the Divine Nature God.